In this video, I want to talk about how you can apply for a WISE card in Malaysia. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. You want to set up your WISE account, make sure you verify it fully, so you need to send in some identification. Once you verified it, what you need to do is head over to cards. Inside of cards, what you need to do is press order a card, and then you need to type in your address, and you will now order the card. After you've done this and you receive the card, you need to activate the card. Now this can be done in two different ways depending on your region. I'm not sure in Malaysia which one is the correct one, so I'll just tell you both. Now the first one is to go to cards, click on activate card once you have received it. The second option is to take your card and go to anywhere in real life, an ATM or something, put it in the chip and type in the PIN code, and this should also activate it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.